Hi guys, hello, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. Today's video I will be sharing with you how I was able to achieve this look. Yes, I'm so excited. Without talking too much, please, if you are not following me on Instagram, please go follow me on Instagram. Okay, that being said, let's get right into the video. So guys, I'll be going in first of all with a concealer. I already applied a little bit of concealer, but that is not enough. I'm just going to apply some concealer. So I'm going to use my hand to blend that out. The look I'm going for, you guys, it's not too complicated. It's something very easy and very simple. Now I'm going to set my eyes with the Nye banana setting powder. That's what I'll be using to set my eyes. Sometimes I try to avoid the blending around my brow bone because I notice when I blend too much, it kind of peels the concealer out. I just found this palette. I think this palette right here, you guys, is one of my oldest. Anyways, I'll be using one of this to go as my transition color, and the one I think I want to go in with, I think I'll go in with this one right here as a transition color. So the next thing I'll be doing, I am just going to cut my crease, you guys, and I will be using my favorite Catrice Camouflage cream. So now I will be going in with, I'll be using the Morphe Palette. I'll be going in with this pink right here, this one. That's one I'll be going in with. I'm just trying to press that right on my crease. I'm going to take a smaller brush and then go in with this orange color right here. I'm going to go just on top of the pink. I'm just going to use that to blend that nicely, just to make sure there are no harsh lines. I'm going to go in with the eye pencil, and this pencil is from Davis. I'm just going to use it to go under my eye. So you guys, the liner I'm using is the Catrice Cosmetic. It's Easy Tattoo Liner, so that's the one I'm using. I'm going to apply a mascara, and the mascara I'll be using is the Scandaleyes. This is from Rimmel. Now I'm going to go in with my primer, and the one I'll be using today is the Benefit, the POREfessional Pro Balm, to minimize the appearance of my pores. Just to hide the dark spots on my face, I'll be using the black Opal stick foundation. Foundation I'll be using today is this one right here. This is the Maybelline 24-hour Superstay foundation. So I'm dabbing it instead of just dragging it all over my face. This foundation is way lighter than I thought, but anyways, after contour, I'm sure it's going to blend nicely. Now I'm going to be using my black Opal stick foundation again. I'm just going to use that to contour my face. So now I'm going to go in again with my blending brush with another one to blend the contour. Now I am going to apply my concealer, and the concealer I'll be using today is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in the shade Beige, Pure Beige, so this one I'll be using. So now I'm going to be using powder to also contour my face again, just to blend properly. So the one I'll be using, you guys, I'll be using the Zaron Face Definer. This is the one I'll be using. I'm just going to use that to contour my face. Let me just quickly go in with my setting powder. So I'll be using the same palette, the Zaron Face Definer palette. That's the same one I'll be using. Let me just quickly set my face. Now guys, I am going to go in with my highlighter. The highlighter that I'll be using today is Mimax. This is the Mimax, is like blush palette. So that's what I'll be using to highlight my face. It's very it's like orange in color, so I'll be very careful with it because I don't want to look orangey, if that makes any sense. So what do you guys think? And this is the other side, and this is it. So now I am going to go to my lip area. You guys, I'm not doing much around my lip. I am just not going to do much around there because all I'm going to do is apply a nude color, a nude lipstick, and I should be good to go. So I'm going to be using this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner. That's what I'll use to line my lip. The lipstick I'll be using is from this Essence Mixing Zone. I think I'll just go with this this color right here. I've never used it before, you guys, so let me just see how it goes. I'm just going to apply lip gloss. The lip gloss I'll be using is also from Essence, and this is the Wet Look lip gloss. This one is like a pink color. So let me see that. It smells very nice too. So now you guys, I'm just going to use my setting spray. The setting spray I'll be using today is the NYX setting spray. This is the matte finish setting spray. So I'm going to apply that, and after applying my setting spray, I'm going to go off camera, apply my lash and also some mascara underneath my eyes, and I will be right back. So let me just apply this. So you guys, here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about this look, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. You guys, I love you, stay blessed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.